everyone. Our topic for today is all about calculus 2 area between two curves. Definition: the area between two curves refers to finding the area of the region that is bounded by the two functions either with respect to the x-axis or the y-axis. To solve the area between two curves is we need to take the difference between the top functions subtracted by the bottom function and then the definite integral of that difference, and you get the area of that curves. So this is the formula of area between the two curves. Area is equal to the integration from a to b f of x minus g of x dx. So here we have an example. Find the area bounded by the function of y is equal to x minus 2 squared plus 5 and y is equal to 1/2 x minus 2 and the line x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4. So this is the graph of our example number 1. So our f of x is the top function is x minus 2 squared plus 5. So we need to simplify it. So we have x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus 5 equals x squared minus 4x plus 9. So this is our f of x, the top function. So as we can see in the graph here, this is the top function, which is the f of x. X is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 8 plus 9. And our bottom function, which is the g of x, is equal to 1/2 x minus 2. So this is the it's locked in the graph. G of x is this is the g of x, which is the 1/2 x minus 2. So in the graph, this is the g of x and this is the f of x. So now atong pangitaon is the area between two curves. So ang area daw area daw sa tunga nila kaning duha ka function. So mao ni atong pangitaon kaning area diri sa tunga. So now to get the area between the two curves, we need to use the formula of area between two curves, which is area is equal to the integration from a to b f of x minus g of x dx. So we have the integration from 1 to 4. So and our f of x is x squared minus 4x plus 9 minus our g of x is 1/2 x minus 2 dx. So now we can simplify these two functions. So we have the integration from 1 to 4 x squared minus 9 over 2x plus 11 dx. So now we can integrate this function. So we have x cubed over 3 minus 9 over 4x squared plus 11x from 1 to 4. So kaning interval nato kay ang atong interval is from 1 to 4. So ato na siyang i-evaluate sa ato ang function, which is the x cubed minus 3 minus 9 over 4x squared plus 11x. Ato na siyang i-evaluate ang interval kaninga function. So we have 4 cubed over 3 minus 9 over 4 times 4 squared plus 11 times 4 minus 1 cube over 3 minus 9 over 4 times 1 squared plus 11 times 1. So, now by simplifying, we have 64 over 3 minus 36 plus 44 minus 1/3 plus 9 over 4 minus 11. So, now ato sang i-minus ang ato siyang combine like terms, ato siyang gamitan og combine like terms para dali ra nato makuha ang final answer. So now we have the 64 over 3 minus 1/3. So pareha man sila. So 64 over 3 minus 1/3, we have 63 over 3. And then next, negative 36 plus 44 minus 11, kay parehas man sila nga wala nga dili fraction. So negative 36 plus 44 minus 11, we have negative 3. So karon kay si positive 9 over 4 siya raman isa, so ato lang siya isumpay diri, atong i-copy lang, plus 9 over 4. So this is so we can simplify again. We can simplify 63 over 3 minus 3 plus 9 over 4. So the result is negative 36 plus 252 plus 27 over 12. So by simplifying, the final answer is 2. So by simplifying, we have 243 over 12, and the final answer is 81 over 4. So this is the final answer of the area between two curves. So mo na ning ang answer. So ang area between two curves sa atong given, sa atong example number 1, ang area daw niya kani, ang value daw sa iyang area is the 81 over 4. So that is our final answer. Thank you.